Hi, my name is Martin Fensterstock. I'm the National Sales Manager for the Comprehensive Connectivity Company. Today we're going to take a look at our new line of pass-through wall plates with pigtails, a perfect transition for your in-wall cabling. These wall plates are available as both single gang and dual gang. The pass-through ports include thin, flexible pigtails that accommodate the tight bend radius required for installations within a standard junction box. The keystone blanks allow for integration with new or existing cable infrastructure for telephone or Ethernet. Constructed of aircraft-grade aluminum, our wall plates are designed for durability and come with Comprehensive's worry-free lifetime warranty. For more information on this product, please visit our website at comprehensiveco.com or connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.